Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Magic Capture, the new camera mode on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the camera. So we're gonna unlock our phone, go to the camera, and here we have a lot of options. So which one to choose? We have the video, we have the photo, and we have our Magic Capture. Now, I would recommend applying auto edits. Now we're gonna click on get started. And here, what we can do, we can start recording and it will automatically take pictures. So if it finds good pictures, then it can just get it from the video that we record. And now we can just go over, let me just put the phone up. Here we're gonna start recording. And now I'm gonna put it on the flower. You guys can see it. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it on the stream deck, and I'm also gonna put it on the contact. So now we got 13 seconds of the video, and as you guys can see, now we need to let it process for a second. Let's just tap on it, and as you guys can see, it's processing the Magic Capture. So we got all of the photos that it took, and now it is also finding the moments. So it's not done yet, but I would say that it's done pretty much because I only showed 4 elements that are photo worthy. Of course, you guys can have fun and try to do the Magic Capture a bit differently, but as you guys can see, it works pretty fine, and that's how you guys can easily use it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.